Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm going to show you how to make a div expand with jQuery. You might want to expand a div on a website if you have more information that you can hold on the page. So if you have a box that you want to put information in and there's too much information at the outset, you can click on that box, it will expand, and then you'll see the full information only if needed. So in order to do this, I am going to create 3 files, an HTML file which will have my div, and a CSS file which will have my styles for that HTML file, and a JavaScript file which will have my specific JavaScript for the expanding of the div. Within the HTML file, it's important that you link to the jQuery library, and you can load that by adding this script right here in your HTML. You can also grab this jQuery library from Google, and they'll give you the link. And also you have to link to your personal JavaScript in this using a script file that goes straight to your JavaScript. And then also you're going to link to your CSS in your header, which I have up here. So first I have a div which I labeled container, which will contain the entire content of the page. And then I have a second div which is called expand div, which will be the div that we'll be expanding. Now I have click here for more info written in a header, and then I have all the content I want in that header already on the HTML page. Just remember that it's all going to be in the HTML beforehand. You're not going to load this externally. The important thing to remember with this div, and you can see a version of it right here, I have this box with click here for more info. The important thing to remember is in your style sheet, you're going to want this expand div to have an overflow of hidden. That way the rest of the content is not seen in the div. All you can see is click here for more info. Then in your JavaScript, you're going to want to add the expand div ID and then the click function, and then you'll add this .animate. Change the width and the height within the animate function. You can set it to however fast or slow you want here. I have it set to 5,000, which stands for how many milliseconds it will last, the entire animation. And then you're going to want to close off this function here. So you can basically copy this bit of script right here. And what that does is when you click on this box, it expands it, and all of your information is inside. So that's how you do it. That's how you expand a div using jQuery.